Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, we learn about the how to calculate the previous week's sales as well as cumulative sales based on the week. So let's start here. So this is one of the our report here. Here we can see the week sales and the selected week column here. So now here we'll write the DAX further how to calculate the previous week sales here. So sale previous week equal to calculate function that is the most common. After that, sum order sales. After we'll apply the filter all so that it should not be affected with any other filter. All date. After the date week equal to selected value. Date week then -1 because we are taking the previous week. After run this tax, now we'll run trigger these measures. We can see here since here the selected week is 1 here, so 1 minus 1 0, that's why it is showing nothing here. Now for the second week here, this is the sales, but previous week sale is 13,471.73. That's why it is coming here. So we can see all the row have been shifted one row below here. Just take example for fifth week here. This is 22,792.03 here. But if you see the fourth week value like 1781.5.88, that is reflecting here. So like that it work here. Now here we will show you how to calculate the cumulative sale based on the week here. So for that write another measure, that is the cumulative total equal to, again calculate function, sum orders week, orders sales, Filter will use the all so that it should not get affected by any other filter. Date, date, week, max, date, week. It will run till the time it reaches the end of the max only. So let's run it. So this is the total cumulative. We'll trigger it here. So we can see here like this is the total sales means from first week, second week, and it is getting accumulated here like 13, 20, 33, 33, 21, 55, 55 plus 17, 72. Like that it is getting calculated here means accumulated here, and end of the day, end of the means week 50 sorry 53rd week it is 2297, and here sale that is the equal here. So this is the DAX to calculate the total cumulative based on the week here. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision. Thank you.